my last video, I told you how you can buy a domain from Namecheap. In this video, I will tell you how you can connect your domain with your hosting in Namecheap. First of all, sign in the Namecheap account. Use your username and then password, then tap sign in. Such an interface will open there. You can see my domain topratingshop.com is showing here. Just tap the manage here. Then it will redirect you in such an interface. Here you can see name server. Just tap the name server here. Then select Namecheap web hosting DNS. Then tap here. Now you can see DNS server update may take 48 hours to take effect, but it mostly take 1 or 2 hours to connect the domain with hosting. This method is only for those who bought the domain and hosting with the same Namecheap account, but I bought the domain and hosting with different Namecheap account. So now I am logging in the account where I bought the hosting. This is the account from where I bought the hosting. You can see my one domain is already connected here. This is the domain which I got free during the purchase of Namecheap hosting. Now you just tap the manage here. It will redirect you in such interface. Then tap the product here. Just scroll down. In the second option here you can see the hosting section. Just tap the drop down here. Then you can see go to cPanel. Just tap there. It will redirect you another page. Such an interface will open there. A bit scroll down, then you can see add-on domains. Just tap here. Such an interface will open there. Now add your domain name here. I just typing my domain name here. Now click the blank below the subdomain. It will automatically add the subdomain here. You can see. Now tap the add domain. Now here you can see the add-ons domain top rating shop has been created. Now if you wanna enable HTTPS to your domain, then just tap verify HTTPS redirect setting here. It will redirect you in such an interface. Now tap sign in with Namecheap. Now click the allow button here. On tapping allow button, such an interface will open there. Now you can see here, please allow up to 25 minutes for SSL activation and installation. Here you can see the status is in progress. I paused the video for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes I have come back here. Now let's refresh it. Now you can see it has been enabled. Now the status showing active. Now I just tap my domain name and check HTTPS is enabled or not. This is my first domain which is in maintenance mode. You can see here the HTTPS has been enabled. Now I will check the another domain which I recently connected with my Namecheap hosting. Just tap there. Now you can see here the HTTPS has been enabled and showing secure site. Now let's come to the dashboard and check the domain is showing there or not. You can see my domain is showing here. Now it has been successfully connected with my hosting. In this way you can connect the domain with your Namecheap hosting and make it secure site. In my next video, I will tell you how you can install WordPress on Namecheap web hosting.